like to introduce the various solutions we offer to the two-wheel industry. When we talk about the solutions, our machine can give solutions for various engine parts, the transmission parts, and also the brake and suspension systems. Each and every area wherever the machining is involved, our machines can give you the solutions. And I also mentioned about the various offerings of our different series of machines, starting from JD1 and further series, and also starting the J1 series to J6. We are getting quite a few solutions. And at this point of time, we are very happy to also say that there are a lot of turning solutions with the large plates, and we also have the wheel and suspension area, several solutions, which is for the steering knuckle and various other critical parts. And the brake systems in the cars, we are giving the total solutions. There are over 400 solutions we have. In that, we have exhibited some of them here. The transmission also has got quite a few solution offerings. Plus, the engine parts are in it. We could do quite a few engine parts in our machines, and these are all the offerings which we have exhibited here. This is just for your information, where our customers are now extremely happy that we have moved away from machine selling to solution selling, and our application engineering team is also giving quite a few offering for the solutions where they can take it as a turnkey project.